Sabbadhanam Dhammadhanam Jinati. The gift of the Dhamma excels all other gifts. The Buddha's words were repeated by the former Prime Minister of Burma, the Honorable U Nu, on the occasion of the presentation of the English translation of the Tripitaka books by the Burma Pitaka Association at Vishaka Hall, Kabaya Pagoda on the 14th of March 1987. The translations had been undertaken by Bukkyo Dendo Kyokai, a Buddhist promotional foundation in Japan, at the request of my husband and myself while he was serving as ambassador from 1983 to 1987. The full moon day of Dapaung is traditionally known as the day on which principal acts of dana are performed in Burma. This act of dana marked a historical milestone in the propagation of Buddhism, with the translation of the Tipitaka being distributed worldwide. While preaching the Singalovada Sutra, the Buddha stressed the importance of dana and said that each human being should contribute 1/4 of all that he or she earns to dana. While he was at Sravasti in Jetavanaramaya, he also disclosed the following: Satara Sangraha Vastu, Dasa Paramita Dana, Trivida Punya Kriya, all primarily consisting of dana. The Buddha also preached the Parabhava Sutra, which is connected directly to loving kindness and dana. The Vyagapajja Sutra was about social service. Education has always played an important part in this day and age and plays an equally important role in our spiritual lives in helping to spread the Dhamma far and wide. While in Japan, my late husband and I formed the Only One World Foundation to help educate promising but needy students to rise above their social and financial disabilities, to complete their education and become leaders of tomorrow. Many of our students have done very well at graduation and have entered university to study for degrees in medicine, economics, IT, law, business administration, and other professions. Our aim is to enable such students with valuable lives to grow up to become great members of society. Each of us is given one unique life to live with. We have to keep helping each other in order to survive. The name Only One World is self-explanatory, and every one of us is united in an unseen bond with or without our knowledge. Each of our lives is precious and cannot be replaced by anyone else. Every one of us must work out his own salvation with diligence. And it is my firm belief that the Buddha's Dhamma is the only way we can preserve and nurture this aim. We live in a world torn by strife and dissension. It is my fervent hope that all Buddhist countries will work together to disseminate the sublime teachings of the Buddha throughout this universe. In conclusion, I would like to thank all those friends and well-wishers who have helped us to come a long way these past 32 years. My grateful thanks go out to my parents, both graduates from Oxford and Cambridge universities, who instilled in us the value of a good education and doing charitable work, and also my late husband for his invaluable help and advice, and the encouragement I received from my 3 children. By the grace of the Buddha's Dhamma, may all beings be well and happy.